Hello everyone, happy surprise video. We weren't actually going to come down today, but the rain has stopped. It's quite windy. You can see things are looking a bit dishevelled. This is where I come down. I'm down here for like 10 minutes and then the heavens opened so much. But I was forced down today, so I thought we would do a quick catch up. So I had to meet Water Guy down here as we're continuing our plans to put on water, and I'm just walking around to show you what I've done. I hope I'm shielding the wind sufficiently, but look, I've actually tied up the tomatoes. There was so much, it was really hard to see. There's only 4 plants along this bed. There was so many. It's still not great, but bless them, I was talking to them the whole time. They were putting down roots, they were laid all across this bed. I'm waiting for Nick to put string up and it hasn't happened, so I've just literally thankfully tied them across the canes. That is maybe 4 foot high, those, and so they're doing really well. We've got some tomatoes on them. Let me walk around and show you. There we go, these are Gardener's Delight. Truly a delight. They have really done their best, bless them. And these are the cut-offs, and you can see, look here where they've tried to put down roots. They are all really big. Rose, could you go and pick one of those up, darling, just to show how big they are? So be gentle with it because we're going to plant them. They're big enough that if I just stake them and plant them, they should take. A lot of them have flowers. Look at this one. Loads of flowers on that. So it was a real shame to cut it off. So I'm going to try and transplant these. I've done that side as well. So hooray. And do you want to show the bottle gourd that's coming? Oh, look, actually there's one right here. Look at that lovely bottle shape already. We've got so many, I cut off quite a lot of this bottle gourd actually.
Come and look, that's the biggest one.
That's the biggest one. That's really nice. That's really nice. Oh, and we've got courgette coming there. That's good.
There's another big bottle gourd.
Another one down there. Wow, we're going to have loads, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're doing really well. And now I'm just tying the peas in again. So it's they've gone crazy. It's great. It's what we wanted. But what we've been having here in Kent, loads of rain, like a lot of the country. And then we've had these intermittent, really hot, it's blue sky, bright blue sky, a few fluffy clouds. But like 10 minutes ago, it was dark and it was really raining. We were hiding in the greenhouse. And then we come out when it's sunny. So I'm just going to tie back a few of these peas. Right, that looks neater as we walk through now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those tomatoes and give them somewhere to live. Look, there's so many. Let's see how many we've got. Right, these are ones I'd already transplanted. They're flowering, some of them over there, which is good. I think most of them have got flowers on them actually. These middle ones do need canes in them, which are at home, but we're down again tonight with the allotment arms gang, so we'll be down and I'll bring some canes down then. Right, so I've got space for 4 more along here essentially. So we'll look at this one here, and you can see it's bendy. And this is where it was laying on the floor and it was trying to come up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it here because this is where it's straight. Get rid of that. There we go. Now this big leaf here will trail on the floor, so I'm going to get rid of that one as well. And then I'm just going to put it in the ground here. I don't have any bone meal or anything like that to help the roots down here, and my mycorrhizal fungi is at home as well. So I'm literally just going to make a hole and cover that up again. The reason I'm using the stick and not my hands is there's some red ants there and I'm highly allergic, so I'm just going to be a bit careful there. I'm not wearing any gloves. I'm trying to make a video. I really don't want to start slurring and going all funny like I do when I get bitten. So that one's in. I shall put 3 more along here, and then I've got a couple of empty beds. This one's got some spring onions, a little bit of space in that one. I'm going to put brassicas in that one, and this one is free, so I might just pop my tomato plants in there. This one needs weeding. One with got beetroot in there, but the other half is free. That's where the graffiti cauliflower was. So in there I can put my spinach and things that I was going to grow, and then over in amongst, now I've picked up the tomatoes, I can get some more leafy greens in over there as well. So for now we're going to crack on with this lot. Right, this one, I just thought I'd show you this one. You can see here where it started to put some roots out, and actually even up all the way, this will focus very well. Oh, my focus recently, I'm sorry viewers. And if this shows up, little bobbles, you can see them further down here. And this is where roots will come out. So we don't, you know, nature wasn't needing any help from me, it was sorting itself out. Unlike my focus, I'm going to get this in the ground. There we go, 4 extra plants in there. And there's 8, 10 in there. There's room for 2 more in case I have any more suckers. So I shall bring down these 5-foot canes. I've got them at home. I shall bring them down tonight and pop them up. They look a bit droopy at the minute, but they will pick up. They've just been transplanted and I expect they'll be grateful for a bit of nutrition. I shall also bring down the comfrey, the tamarite. I've not made my comfrey feed yet this year, need to do that. So I'll bring down the tamarite, give them some of that, and then that's us. So we have got, what's that, 22, sorry, my maths there not working, 22 extra tomato plants from suckers. And as I've had the beds going free, do you know what, might as well put some food in them and get them to grow. So we are going home to get cleaned up. Rose? Oh, you're not as dirty as I am. You've obviously not done as much work.
I've just been sailing boats.
You've been playing with the pond, haven't you, out the back? Okay, well we'll go home. I'll get this video up and then we'll sort some drinks for tonight. So we'll see you later. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Take care.